Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. Guys, I unfortunately come to you bearing nothing but sad and devastating news that one of the wives from Moja Love's reality TV show called Umdeni has sadly passed away. You guys, now a cast member Sihle, who was gay and one of the gay wives to Sangoma Mkhulu Dau, sadly passed away just a couple of days ago. I think it was about 2 days ago. You guys, now the news surrounding his death was shared by on TikTok by fellow friend and fellow sister wife Gognandipa, who later in the comment section went on to reveal that Sihle died after suffering from an illness called meningitis. You guys, Sipho Sihle Masinga, who was only 30 years old, and he will be buried on the 11th of July 2024. You guys, now we're sending our deepest and sincere condolences to his family, his loved ones, you guys, and may his soul rest in peace. Thank you guys for actually watching this video. Now please do share your thoughts with me in the comments section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that it reaches a lot of people. Guys, thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one. I will definitely surely be seeing you on my next one. Bye.